Good morning, friends. It's 12 p.m. We could now wake up in the morning, okay? Since I had slept late in the evening. So no issues. We will try to trade in Nifty 50 today since it has expiry. The market seems to be bullish, okay? We will look for appropriate entry. Friends, we have entered the trade, okay? We have entered the trade here, okay? This candle margin took 52,000 rupees to sell this option, okay? Friends, it took 52,800 rupees to sell off these two lots of Nifty on the day of expiry. Okay, and देखिए फ्रेंड्स हम लोगों ने एवरेज ट्रेडेड प्राइस हमने जो है ना we bought it at 78.35 and we have already put the stop loss. The stop loss is of 90.35 यानी 12 rupees of stop loss. Okay, 12 times 25 is 300 rupees. We have the stop loss of 300 rupees per lot. Okay, but the target is higher and the bigger. Okay, friends, I will square off these lots, although it is going within my direction, but I choose the wrong strike price. Okay, I in hurriedly I choose the wrong strike price, then I will try to exit this trade. Okay, look, friends, I am exiting trade, friends. Okay, I am exiting because I entered the wrong strike price. Okay, then I will trade again. Okay, okay. Look, friends, as I told you, we entered the trade in Fin Nifty and it's showing a profit of 140 rupees. Okay, now we'll try to wait. We are following strictly the Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty seems to be highly bullish, so the Fin Nifty do work the same way the Bank Nifty is working. Okay, because the weightage company in both the indices are almost the same. Okay, so we'll try to hold the trade. Okay, then if we get decent profit, then we will try to book it. Friends, it's showing us a profit now. Okay. Okay, friends, I'm gonna book the profit now. Okay, I will try to book the profit now, friends. Okay, because it's giving the target very late. Okay, I entered the trade long back, but it's not giving us the opportunity. Okay, friends, I'm booking the profit now. See, I booked the profit. Okay, I booked the profit, friends. Okay, because the market was very slow, and we have been in this position for almost 12 2. Okay, and 1 hour 20 minutes, but we were not able to get the target. That's the reason I exited the trade. Okay, okay, I will explain the logic now why I entered the trade. Friends, see, the market is bullish. Okay, it's making higher high and higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, higher and higher high and higher low. Okay, so here I entered the trade, friends. Okay, see, 12. Okay, 12 here. I entered the trade here, friends. Okay, when it went there and it made the correction, here I entered the trade. Okay, then it went up, then it tried to get down, then at the end it went here. Okay, still it is bullish, but the delta is not high, so the target is we are getting the target very slow. Okay, I don't know why the delta is very low today. Okay, anyhow, we have done our trade. We have made this profit in two trades. Okay, okay, and here also, friends, you can see I had sold the nifty p. Okay, see, I sold it at 78, then I bought it at 69, and I was profited with 422 rupees. But you can see now it's 16 rupees now, friends. And the reason why why I exited this trade, because since the Nifty was going within my direction, but it was not giving me the profit. The delta was very low. That's the reason I thought, better exit from here and get into the trade with some other indices. Okay, okay, friends, you can see. But anyhow, bad luck. You can see you would have been in profited in here instead of 422, almost 3000 plus rupees. But no issues, it happens. This is the part of the game. Okay, thank you, friends. Thank you for watching. Okay.